Alright, Pyros, it's the aftermath. So if I were to say the Big Kahuna cone might be a slight bit smaller than the lava cone, but it did get higher and bigger crackles. Dude, this is a mess out here. It's a fucking mess. Well, the Bruja caught on fire. This is my first cue. It didn't go off, which sucked. So I jumped right into Smackdown, La Bruja, Nuck and Futs. 100 shot, 100 shot. Master July 4th, Need for Speed. Yeah, this year it was a mess. I didn't have time to take off everything. Was not dealing with it. I'll deal with the mess. But it looks like everything went off. After I went back through and hand fired the last things that was missed. I messed up. I forgot to put the other fuse on Warlock. Liquid was so sick. Master Sky Orange, Cholo, oh my god. I feel like, did that not go off? Oh, well, the top came off, duh. Let's go. The big Papo. Oh my lord, that was so sick. Oh yeah, and thing 2 caught fire too. I put her out. Even though it was still wet out. Now this one, and Fat Rat, I had to rip open the side of the box to try to find a fuse. Didn't work. And then it worked, and it finally worked. Because it had a reverse fuse, so I hit that. Ooh, look at Super Neon. It started getting loose to the end. Started getting loose. Oh boy. Alright, Pyros. Here's the aftermath. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the video.